Hi folks, welcome to New Beginnings Window and Doors. My name is Michael. Today we're going to just discuss some questions that are common themes among homeowners and clients as to what window to decide on and the reasons behind that. So two of the more popular options on windows, whether building a home or replacing windows, are going to be whether we first go with double hung windows or casement windows. And we're just going to talk about a few advantages of each of them to help you make that decision. So as I turn this display around, first, a double hung window simply means that it is two sashes. One goes up, one goes down. That signifies double hung window. Advantages to a window like this are traditional. So the look or style of the home may dictate that this would look better than what we're going to get into in a moment. One of the other reasons may be just simply that with a window cranking out, which a casement window does, we may bump into it as we're walking through a patio deck area, etc. Within the double hung window, you'll have lots of options to choose, whether it be grills, no grills. That's really an aesthetic option for you to choose, which our sales representatives would help you decide and discuss through. One of the other things is simply whether you want a full screen that you'll see on this window or a half screen, which we have on some of our other displays. One of the main reasons to choose a full screen would be just simply for cross ventilation if you're a fresh air person. Very few people realize that a double hung window is being used properly to get both air coming in high and low. If we use a half screen, clearly we are only getting air in through the bottom of the window. From there, I'm going to jump over here and I'm going to show you a casement window and some of the advantages to that. So one of the main advantages to using a casement window is aesthetically, the screen is on the inside of your house, which in a lot of cases is going to be covered by blinds or window shades or coverings. So viewed from the exterior or the curbside appeal, it's a cleaner look having a casement window, not having the screen covering up whatever grills or design you have on the window. One of the other advantages are when we open up a casement window, because it is only one sash, we get full ventilation. So again, if you are a fresh air person, you get twice as much ventilation or air coming through on a casement window than you would on a double hung window. So again, not every home can handle a casement window because it is a more contemporary look. So if you have a very traditional home, farmhouse, colonial home, casement window may not work for you. But in a lot of cases, this is a very big advantage to have for ventilation and, depending on your taste, for aesthetics. Both are very easy to clean. Double hungs tilt in to clean. The casements crank out so you can reach out from the outside to the inside. This is being shown with a full screen. Working with the screens is a little bit easier on a casement window rather than reaching out, because if you're on a second floor on a double hung window, it's a little bit more complicated to get the screen system in and out. Casement windows also have different options for you, like I'll show you quickly on this display. So this is being shown as a push-out casement rather than having the crank handle. You just simply push it out. And it's being shown with a roll screen on it. So then, with an option like this, you have no screen blocking sunlight or views either from inside or outside. So that's a couple of the advantages of casement versus double hung, which are the two most popular styles that people would typically put in their home. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Stop by 62 McKinley Street, Wappinger Falls, New York. Give us a call, 845-298-DOOR. And don't forget to begin each day with a beautiful view.